Audrey. Huh? Turn it on. Turn it on. Sam. 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 Bravo, you did it, huh? Can you use your hand? Come here. Yeah, sit down. Sit. Use your hand. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Here, nay. Use your hand. You're doing, I know, it's frustrating, huh? What's the matter? Yeah, your fingers just sometimes stop working, don't they? And so you use your hands and sit here. No, okay. Here you go.